time moves on perpetually, we are very much influenced by the periodic motion of the planets around the Sun, dividing time into years, months, days, and so on. Also in sound or music, only the periodic repetition of pressure changes results in something we perceive as a note or as a pitched sound. In human culture, we heavily adopted this ever-repeating year cycle and often celebrate pivotal points of it, such as summer or winter solstice, potentially disguising these events as religious celebrations. But also, more profane things such as bus or train timetables often follow a periodic or circular pattern. Why do I make this lengthy introduction about periodic phenomena? I recently introduced a looper to the Daisy Seed version of the pico effects, which I want to give proper credit now in this video. The Daisy Seed board includes a whopping 64 megabytes of RAM, which I haven't been using so far, really. So I decided to include a looper functionality. From an implementation perspective, it is not much more than a really long delay line with a freeze function. Data-wise, the looper revolves around the data structure, looper data type, which has the following fields. Pointer to the memory storing the loop, this is the memory pointer. The volume at which the loop is played back. Then the volume at which the loop is recorded. The index within memory the loop starts, this is usually 0. The index within memory the loop ends. The current playback or recording position, the state of the looper, this can be stopped, recording, playing, and overdubbing. And the parameter which defines how the looper should behave when a certain button is pressed. The looper itself is a state machine with the following states. Initially it is stopped with no recorded content. When hitting P1, the leftmost foot switch, it goes into recording mode. When pressing P1 again, it plays back. Then P1 toggles between overdubbing and playing. P3, the rightmost foot switch, stops the loop. Pressing P3 again clears the loop. P2 allows to either re-trigger the looper or to exit the looper for choosing another preset. That's all about the theory. Let's hear and see it in action. 1, 2, 3, 4. for watching and see you in the next video.